So you guys, this is Dominican food. I'm gonna try the brown stew chicken with gravy, extra gravy. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Everything looks so delicious, you guys. Hello, how are you guys doing today? I missed you guys so much. Today we're having Dominican food. I am in Wilmington, West Side. Every time I'm in the city, I like to get food that just is like my favorite, which is Dominican food. I like to get Hispanic food, Dominican food, because there's not, as far as I know, there's nowhere in my area close by that has that food. And I was recommended by my new nail tech. I just got my nails done, you guys. My face is not looking the best. I am going to take my glasses off because I want you guys to be able to see my facial expression. I really need to move in a different space. Let me move, hold on. All right, you guys, so I had to move so y'all can see my food and what I'm doing. Again, please excuse my face. I've been ripping and running literally all day. This is the hair, you guys. I did my hair. This is gonna be my hair for Jamaica. Let me put my windows down some. My doors are locked, you guys. You always gotta ask me that. Let me just make sure that one's locked. All right, so I am in Wilmington. Anytime I'm in Wilmington, Wilmington is like up north. Well, I live up north, but Wilmington is the top of Delaware. And every time I'm in Wilmington, I like to get Dominican food. I have a cranberry juice here. I'm actually really thirsty. Oh my God, y'all. Did y'all see that food? Oh, these are the empanadas. Oh my God, these are the empanadas. This is my stewed chicken with extra gravy. My nail tech told me to order this, and that's exactly what I did. I have my silverware here, and I'm gonna show y'all the empanadas in a second. Y'all, I'm hungry. I'm ready to tear this up. You guys, Dominican people are so nice. Like, I just love all people. I'm just a people lover. No matter what your culture is, where you come from, I just love it. They were so nice to me, and there they always are. But this is my new restaurant that I'm trying. I haven't tried this one. I used to go to another place in Wilmington. But this one is called Merengue. And when I walked in, I was like, is this Dominican food? I had to make sure because I love Dominican food. And I'm thirsty. So, the west side of Wilmington is a lot of Hispanic people, Puerto Rican, Dominican. They live out here. Oh man, they got some empanada sauce too. Oh, I'm excited. The empanadas I got 3 different ones. It comes with 3 different orders. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is a beautiful empanada. One is cheese, one is steak, one is cheese, one is beef, and one is chicken. So here are the empanadas. Oh my God, they look delicious. Let me take a bite of that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Y'all. Let me tell y'all something. soon as I bit into it, all the flavors just hit me. Oh my god. Oh my god. And here is my stewed chicken. Whew. I gotta try to hold this up so y'all can see it. Oh my god, y'all. Bangin, and they got the sauce. Let me get my silverware. Yo, I'm about to tear this up. For real, for real. Like, y'all already know what it's hitting for. Y'all know I don't play. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh my god. Yellow rice. Dominican food, y'all. Oh. Yellow rice with the stewed chicken. With extra gravy. Oh my god. Oh my god, with the empanadas, y'all. Alright, y'all. This is so good, you guys. So, I'm in here. I'm in the city right now. I've got my nails done. I found a new nail tech that I love. I can't wait to taste that sauce. Yo, I gotta get my hands messy. I'm sorry. No. Fresh. Flavorful. Delicious. You know, Dominican food. Bangin. I always like to get it's just smothered in that gravy. Smothered in that gravy, y'all. So delicious. My hands are clean. I wash my hands in the restaurant. It is so good, y'all. I wish you could have a bite. I really do. It is banging. Y'all saw it in the clip. Ooh, y'all, the empanada is my favorite. I gotta start working on the empanada. I really need some water. Oh my god, I don't know what kind of sauce this is, you guys, but I guess it goes with the empanada. Y'all, this is what it looks like on the inside. Here's the sauce. Ooh. Oh my god. Yo, this might be my new favorite food. It's squirting, y'all. It's squirting everywhere. This is like a mayonnaise base. It's so good. It goes perfect with this. Yo. I'm in heaven for real, for real. The breading is perfect. It's not hard. It's fresh. One of these is the cheese. I think this is the cheese one. Why? Why this food gotta be so good? I love cheese too. It's so good, like the dough or the bread or whatever they use, whatever this is on the outside, some type of bread. It's perfect. Let me taste the chicken one before I eat all this. Oh my god. Y'all, it's perfect. It's fresh. I'm only gonna be able to take one bite of this. I'm gonna save this for babe. Oh my god. That might be my first time ever having an empanada. Like, I think I had an empanada for a potluck one time from somebody who is not Hispanic. And in my opinion, that's not... I mean, you can... I'm not saying that you have to be Hispanic to make it. You can make whatever you want and be good at it. Yeah. But it wasn't memorable, excuse me. It wasn't memorable like that is. I'm never gonna forget that. Like, somebody said you had an empanada. Heck yeah, I had an empanada from Merengue. You guys, I'm gonna save him that. I gotta let him taste that. It's so good. It's so delicious. You know, I look tired. I look greasy. Please forgive me. I know I'm looking crazy because I got up early this morning to get my nails done. I had to do my eyebrows in the car because I didn't want to be late for my appointment. And I was like, let me go grab some food. Bangin. And then I have to go get a C test and do some last minute stuff for vacation. But y'all, my nails look bomb. Black owned, honey. She did my nails so good. Like, she did my nails better than anybody I've ever got my nails done by. So I am so happy because that was a long time coming. I had been wanting to get my nails done from somebody else for a long time. Somebody that has good work, you know what I mean? Not just some mess thrown together. Y'all, I am full. This was delicious. Hispanic food, Dominican food is so bomb. That stewed chicken, y'all, is incredibly good. Those empanadas, you guys, it is perfect. I can tell they make it from scratch. I can tell they're not using any pre-breading or whatever, pre-flour. What is it called, you guys? What is that dough? Can somebody tell me what that dough is that they use and they stuff it and fill it with and they create like the shell for the meat? And oh God, the cheese one was delicious. I like the chicken one too, but the beef one was banging. The chicken and the beef were my favorite. So next time I come, I'm gonna do the beef and the cheese one. They come 3 at a time, and then you get this order, and then the sauce is like a mayonnaise based something. It's delicious. I'm gonna save this for later. Absolutely bomb. Let me know how you guys feel about these car mukbangs. Somebody said that I can go on Amazon. I can go right on Amazon and get a tray, because it's looking like the car mukbangs are gonna be something of you know, going forward, because my life is getting very hectic, and hectic in a good way though. Hectic in a really good way. And I love being able to, because I eat a lot, you guys. I love, and sometimes it's just getting the food and bringing it back to the house and being up under the lights and all of that. Sometimes it's just so much easier for you guys to see me throughout my day, and boom, I just go grab something to eat. Boom, the camera's right there and y'all see me eat, especially in times like this where I'm really busy. You guys, my life is super busy right now, and I'm thankful. And I was thanking God for that earlier today. Like, God, thank you so much. Like, I'm not complaining about being busy at all. I'm thankful for all the busyness. And yeah, I just feel like y'all get to see my personality a little bit more. Like, you actually do get to see my personality, because it's not me sitting behind a camera and not interacting with people. My face looks greasy and oily. My hair came out really good. I was up once all my work was done throughout the day. I started doing my hair last night, and I finished my hair, and my face is looking really oily and greasy now. But I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here with me. Please check out my beauty channel. On the beauty channel, Official Q Beauty, you'll get to see me preparing for Jamaica, what I'm packing, what I'm wearing, just different things, me traveling throughout the day, vlogging and things like that. So I'm finished eating, you guys. I love you so much. I'm getting ready to head back home so I can get my COVID test. I love y'all. Thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for loving me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.